been a particularly good day. The last 4 days have been very, very bad for the markets. What's happening here?
Well, I think, Neeraj, maybe, a concerted kind of factors which are at play at the moment. Maybe the international scenario also. Maybe the budget was, after all, a little more incremental. And to be fair, I think it was too short a time to expect anything dramatic. But still, I think this just incremental, and that probably was one of the reasons where market appears to be tepid. And all the post-budget, we have always seen there's some kind of rumors which keep on floating in the market about X coming or Y coming, which also adds or really spooks the market, at least temporarily. But having said that, I think markets probably now will either correct, say maybe by 100, 150 points, not impossible, or they may go in for sideways correction over, say, next 1.5 months, very much possible. But neither this market still remains on a broader basis to buy on dips market. Maybe I'm not a technical analyst, so there could be some serious correction if somebody else says that. But I still feel that the question is, when are you going to buy this? The broader trend is still going to be up, though in the short run, I think maybe if for next 1.5 month, markets may correct and may go sideways.
We'll talk about the buy on dips, but in the meantime, it's a little alarming at the rate and the pace at which we're falling, Dilip, given all of these large cap stocks cracking something like 6%. So how much further can we see the downside, according to you?
Well, I think since the last 3 months, it has been an unabated rise, and the corrections have been very shallow. So possibly this is for the first time after the new government is in place and maybe the budget, we are seeing that some serious corrections. So what we understand is maybe the FIs after all feel that this budget is good, but not good enough for them to get enthused immediately. So I think everybody is trying to follow a little wait and watch kind of a thing, because if you just were to rewind to the budget and think that people that they are factoring in something like 5.5 to 6% kind of growth, but if you were to take the GDP growth of first quarter and second quarter, the run rate or the real growth will come in the third and the fourth quarter, where possibly we have to see a GDP growth of 6% plus. And that remains to be seen how that is going to be achieved for them to achieve 5.5%. So I think all those factors really are at play. So I think possibly, as what I said, maybe 100, 150 points down on Nifty from the current level. Whether that's possible, yes. And time-wise also possibly maybe another 1 month, possibly it can spend sideways consolidating.
So Dilip, where would you venture into as a buy on dip strategy in terms of sectors and stocks?
So I still remain pretty upbeat about the financial sector. I think the financial sector still remains a place to be really invested in, because we have seen that the kind of companies that are raising money, the pipeline of the companies raising money is very strong. And I think if most of these companies have got a very good response for their issuance, it means that the banking sector and the financial sector will have a reduced stress from some of these companies which are raising money, because that was the perception that some of these companies possibly could have posed some kind of a potential threat on the asset quality. So as that worry keeps on easing because of the money that these companies are raising, so I think the perception of the financial sector will keep on improving. So I think that's a sector which one should remain invested. Cement is another, and construction and engineering is another sector that I will look to invest certainly on dips from the current levels at the moment.
Sure. Dilip, on another occasion we'll try and get some names out there as well, but it's almost 1. We are overshot the time on the show. Thank you so much for joining us today on the post-budget day and giving us your brief synopsis. Just a bit of a rain check really, as we, the pun is not intended, but a rain check as we head into the break, or in fact wrap up this leg of Market Sense.